Hey, good evening, Micromep here, bringing you a well, basically late night video on my day today in the marketplace. Was really busy with work and uh, just overall household chores and stuff. Um, let's take a look at the futures. I did a quick YouTube short on the futures, but we got the 10-year at 459. Um, all foreign currencies pretty much down, so maybe we're getting a little bit on the dollar here. Let's see where we at on the dollar. Long day today. Can't believe I'm doing a video at 10 o'clock. But the channel's picking up some steam, and if I can help you guys staying engaged with the market, um, it's always good. So the dollar's up a little bit, 23 cents to 105.81. Bitcoin up 450 to 63.9. Brent down 14 cents to 87.06. Oil down 16 to 82.47. S&P down 350 to 51.43. Ether down 10 to 31.90. So there's a lot of red right now. Gold down 12 to 23.45. Feeders were up 40 cents. Hogs were up 7 cents. And live cattle was up 7 cents. Copper continues to stay pretty hot. I owe you guys a video on copper, and I want to elaborate a little bit more on some of my picks in the space that I like. Small caps down 4 to 20.22. Just finished watching the Panthers. They won. They beat the Maple Leafs, so they move on. Hopefully, they can make the finals again. Right now, we have Dallas, and I think the Knights playing. Um, Nat Gas 206 up 3 cents. So it's good to see Nat Gas over 2 again. Nasdaq up 7 to 17,912. Silver down 30 cents to 27.35. VIX 15.20 up a little bit. Corn down $1.62. Soybeans down 4 cents, and wheat down 6 cents. And those are your futures currently 4:29, 10 p.m. night session. Um, on the trade front today, I had total of 9 trades in this account, and opened the wrong one. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I had a total of 18 trades today um, in the dual accounts. I have an account with TD, and then I have an account with Tasty Works, Tasty Trade. I sold a call credit spread in phase for $130 credit. Um, for it to not go over 125, 130 in the next 50, I want to say it's 53 days. 53 days. Angen, I did a put credit spread on Angen. I sold the 10 put and bought the 8 for protection. Collected $70. Bought some stock in ZVSA. Just a little bit as like an option play. See if it blows up uh, like a big short squeeze, and there's none to borrow, so 571, so whatever. I took a little gamble there. I closed out Tesla spread for 3 cents just to get my buying power, get some dry powder. Not worth keeping it for 3 cents. um, and I closed Intuitive Surgical for 50% profit as well on the trade. I closed ETRN for a big gainer. NDLS also a big gainer. Extreme, I closed that put out. I made some money because they have earnings coming up, and BKD I made like 15%. And this was in TD today. In the Tasty Trade um, platform, I sold the put credit spread in Microsoft. They were down. I sold the 385, 380, 53 days out, and I collected $125. I did the same with Google, the 160, 155 strikes. SoFi, I did a A small, sold the 7 and bought the 6, 53 8 days out for 37 cents. Just engagement trade. IBRX, I did a call calendar. I sold the 10 call 18 days out, and then I bought the call 53 days out for a debit of 27, was it 27, 25 cents. I got filled that. I sold a call in LSCC because I have a position that I'm up. They closed, looks like a little bit down in the after hours. So I sold a 100 call 53 days out for $60. I closed Boeing for a 50% profit. I closed Apple for over 50% profit. I closed AMD for a 50% profit. And I closed DraftKings for a 50% profit. So it's a good day for Micromep on the trade front. I wish I would have opened up more trades, but we have Stella, my my baby. Soon in June will be like a year that I rescued her. She's doing good. She's actually playing. I think my wife or the other dog, and she doesn't have any more heartworms, which is good. And I took her for a walk today. I got my 5,000 steps in, and I'm up a little bit past what I want to be up, but I've had a long day. Even though I didn't sell a lot of cars today, I did some cars, but there's a lot of admin stuff. I'm just running around with the wifey and doing stuff here in the house as well. Did get to clean the shed, organize the terrace. My friend came over and helped me hang up a bigger TV, and we put it on the wall, and it looks great. So I want to thank Mike for helping me out with that. Um, so that was on the trade front. Let's take a look at the earnings. Very important. So we had 96 companies reporting today. Biggest winners were WGS. Don't know what they do, but they were up. Is a patient-centered health intelligence company engaging in transforming healthcare by applying AI. Interesting. WGS. Let's take a look at that one. Big winner. Maybe we look at the watch list or something. So yeah, big winner. $286 million company. Um, they basically had less than half the loss was expected, and their sales were pretty big, 62 million compared to 49 billion. Maybe put this one on your charts or your watch list. WGS. Maybe we should watch this one. Let's see what Investor Business Daily has them as. WGS. Let's see here. So they have them ranked as 87. See if I can add them to my. I'm gonna write it down there. I don't want to lose this one. I'll keep an eye on this one. They have a good ranking on it. WGS. So big winner for them. I talked about Philip earlier today. That they settled on a court case with they do sleep apnea machines, so that was a big winner for them with the settlement. IBRX, I did a call calendar on them. Tesla, I did some videos. They were up huge today with the FSD in China agreement. Trump stock was up big as well. iRobot, wow, iRobot 846. Amazon was supposed to buy them, but I don't know what's going on with that. I think it got denied by EU regulators, if not mistaken. Hertz was up 7% today. Albemarle up 7% as well. And those pretty much the names that I know that were up today. These are not earnings. These are just most active options. I'll go back to Stock Tweets earnings. Biggest loser, AMVS. I think one of their drugs didn't do well with the FDA, didn't get approved. ALT, down 11. AMC, a Mimi stock down 11. SoFi, I did a put credit spread down 10%. Cypher Mining, that's like a Bitcoin correlated play, down 10%. Deutsche Bank down 8%. Coinbase down 7%. A lot of the Bitcoin miners and related names down pretty big today. On the earnings, so that one was big. Philips we talked about. Uh, Mind Technology, never heard of them, but small cap. What else? Heartland Financial. It's a bank. Oops, bank. Can I go back to the earnings? Oh, earnings. Let's see what happened here. Earnings. There we go. Biggest losers. So SoFi, Daku was a big loser from MedFast, another big loser in the healthy living and weight loss. Uh, F5 down 17. Check down 5%. That's pretty much it. And then we talked about the biggest winners. Let's see what else. Domino's up 5%. Let's see what we got in the morning tomorrow. Let's see here. I don't have any. I don't think I have anything going into the morning. Zebra Technologies. That's a pretty high mover. So is Train Technologies, QSR, 3M. I think I closed ETRN because, yeah, I closed it out because I have earnings and I was pretty much full on my profit there. Cameco, it's a good name. Oh, Eli Lilly tomorrow. I have a position in them. Eat is another decent name. So we're in earnings bonanza. Coca-Cola, Lending Tree. Wow, we have a lot of names before the bell. Wow. Big morning. PayPal in the morning. PACCAR. Let's see what earnings whisper. Earnings whisper has on his little chart for tomorrow before the bell. He puts little good charts up. Tuesday in the morning. PayPal, Eli Lilly, McDonald's, 3M, Coca-Cola, Melco, Enterprise, EPD, Cameco, Eaton, Sirius Holdings, HSBC, and Marathon. So those are the big ones before the bell tomorrow. Good stuff. What else? I haven't really looked at the news. Regular session closed. Dow Jones up 146, S&P up 16, Nasdaq 55, Russell 14, VIX down 36 cents. Paramount says CEO Bob is stepping down, will be replaced by a trio of executives. Biden administration faces an onslaught of lawsuits as business group claim regulatory overreach. Morgan Stanley banker sees 10 to 15 more tech IPOs in 2024, a better year in 2025. Samsung Electronics operating profit jumps 933 in the first. Wow, beats expectation. Asia stocks markets mostly rise, tracking Wall Street gains. China factory activity on deck. I think that the Hang Seng is in a bull market for sure. I want to say they're up like 20% from the low. I could have sworn that I read something about them being a pretty hot market. Hang Seng. I wonder what the FKIDX has done. Let's see what the FKID. I have a lot of funds in there. Wow, 1428. So this thing keeps chugging along. 52-week high is 1472. So we're not too far off that. If the dollar rolls over, I can expect this to see this much higher. What other news here to wrap up the video? Let's see here. 15 minutes. Don't want to go too much more longer. All right. Bullish on Alphabet after earnings would buy pullback. That's what I did today. Apple, Kramer, Apple's Monday rally doesn't have staying power after answer upgrade. I said that in my video today too. I'm kind of iffy on that upgrade and that rally before earnings. I would like to see what earnings has to say about Apple. J&J, Bristol Myers Squibb lose challenges to Medicare price drug negotiations. We talked about that. It's already 8 hours. Peacock streaming subscription prices to increase at $2 ahead of Olympics. Why Trump media shares closed more than 20% higher. I have a put credit spread there. Looks like Vegas scored. Kramer says sorted to buy Southwest Airlines. 29% of U.S. households have jobs that struggle to cover basic needs. Yeah, this is the futures. Today, sugar was a big winner. Natural gas. I want to say copper has been pretty hot. Let me see a month. Copper up 16. So coffee in the last month, coffee up 21%, rice up 17, copper 16, VIX 11, and then silver 8. Interesting, copper. So in the copper, I like FCX. They were pretty up there in the most actives today. They were up almost $2, 378%. And I'm gonna give you a bonus play that we're talking about copper, and copper's been pretty hot. I have a position that's one of my good winners. It's HBM. I'm up $600, and I just have one contract. I have the 7.5 call, 81 days out. Now HBM, let me see. Maybe there could be a takeout candidate. HUD Bay Minerals. But if you look at the chart, it looks like it's clear skies ahead. Look at that chart, guys. They're a copper. They're in Canada, and they are into copper. This is the weekly chart. I wonder when their earnings is. Let's see what I can see. We have earnings May 14th, so soon. But that's a big winner for me. One of my bigger winners. Um, so yeah, copper's been hot. Anyways, getting late, a little tired. Gonna take a shower, hit the sack, watch some more news, listen to more videos, and maybe do some reading. But good day overall for the good guys. Um, Chime in, like, and subscribe, and see that the channel's growing. And hopefully, all these videos are good education for you, and you guys like it. We like to see some other stuff. I want to do some more educational stuff in regards to specific trades. I just gotta get the time to break down, the put credit spreads, the call credit spreads, the mechanics that go into it. Anyways, take care. God bless, and have a good night. Bye bye.